Subunit for a barcode in Riyalo accounting software. Here you'll get all the list of products here, and you'll get the stock here, and you'll get the landing price here. You can search by code, by name, or by description. If you want to filter by category, group, brand, location, you can do that from here. And if you want to show the zero stock, you can click this so that they can show the zero stock. If you want to see the negative stock, you can click here. If you want to see trail unit is mainly used for subunit items which has box and pieces. And if the item has images, you can click here, so it will show images as well. So I'll show you now on how to do a subunit of a barcode. Now I have entered a barcode and an item code, and we'll enter an item name here. So here when we add, we have to add the cartoon barcode, the barcode which the cartoon has, that barcode we have to add here. After that, we have to add the name, then you can add the category if you want, and keep the category in primary. And here in the landing price, you don't need to give anything because it will be added on the purchase. And now the selling rate, if it's 1.5 for a cartoon, you can enter 1.5, and you can enter here cartoon, and how much pieces does it have in that cartoon. If it's 24 pieces, you can enter 24 piece, and you can enter the amount and give a separate barcode for this item. So now if you give yes, it will be saved. So when we add the piece barcode, you'll get the piece barcode, or if you want the cartoon barcode, when you enter here, you'll get the cartoon barcode as well. Thank you.